Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a typeform in your workspace at typeform.com. As you can see, first of all we have to log in into our Typeform account. For this purpose I'm using the free version, so you guys can see everything that you can get for free from Typeform, which is pretty easy, pretty nice way to experience it and also decide if the Typeform is the right option for you. When you log in, it's very easy and very auto-intuitive. In your workspace, straight away you have this icon of create a typeform. First of all, you can start from scratch, import it, or go with multiple templates already pre-made it up for you. You have research ones, feedbacks, lead capture, registration, and many more. But we are going to start from scratch. Once we click on start from scratch, they really want us to basically name our typeform. So give it a name. Let's go tutorial typeform. What are you creating? And now you can basically start and picking up the typeforms that you really want to, like contact form, checklist, application form. There are tons of options for you to pick from. For example, let's go with request form or research survey, poll. Let's go with the research survey and click continue. Straight away, you can see we have a content here. In content window, we can start by your first questions. For example, do you like summer? Oh, it's not a name. Let's go with it. Part of a year. You can go with a description if you feel like it, and go with the choice one. Yes or no. It's A or B. If you want to add more choices, it's pretty easily explained. You'll just click on add choice and you can go with I don't care, for example. And let's say it's a first one. You can basically switch from this version of questionnaire or from multiple choices by clicking on the right window where you have the type, for example, multiple choices, phone number, short text, long text, and statements. So let's say this one is done. First question we have scratched out of the corner. So we want to add another question. We just click the little plus on top left corner. And let's say this time you really need to get a telephone number out of your quest. So let's go with phone number. The second one is the phone number. Here, your question here, recall information. Please add your phone number. I know it's not very common that the second question is already second number. It should be like last one. And here we can pick from all the pre-calls, and then people should add their number and then click OK. So easily you can do it like this. And if you are not okay with the US, you can pick from tons of other. For example, there's Slovakia, where I'm from, and as you can see, you have Slovakian icon or flag, and then they can basically continue with the right form for that an exact country. Yet again, let's go and click plus. Every time you click plus, there's this window where basically people can add their answers. So let's go with email. Please enter your email, and you'll go like this. Name, design, which in English, I forgot how to name it, and then your domain. Okay, very easy. Let's go next. You can also check design and logics, but we don't have to go into them yet. With another plus, we have yes or no answers. So basically, in first one, you can add a choice. And it's completely coincidence that I chose yes or no answers. But in yes or no type, you have to pick out of those. So let's go with, do you like, let's go like this, rap music? It's straight up yes or no. Very easy, self-explanatory. I don't think that we have to go much forward. Also, payment methods. So this is very nice what they offer at Typeform. You have to really add the cards, and it will work just fine. But bear in mind, it's just a trial window. So let's delete it. Here we can add numbers, pictures, dates. Also, we can upload or ask people to upload a file. When you upload the file, also in a trial version, for example, if they go through all the questionnaires and at the end you want them to upload their CV, they can easily upload their CV and yeah, get along with the job and send it to you. And according to all your contents, it will also add up a file with CV. And as you can see, there's a size limit is 10 megabytes, so it's more than enough. Also, we can add more and more, but basically I believe this is the one that you will need the most, plus maybe short text, where you just want to have a clear opinion without any options. So you want your recipient to basically fill in the form, and yeah, they are good to go to send their review, for example, of your place or of your company or experience with you. So many options here. It's completely up to you. You can try it for free, and also if we check the plans, they are not that hard to look at. So business plus, basic and free. So with basic, you can basically do a lot of stuff, even as a small company. Here it's per year, yearly. So yeah, it's pretty nice, and you should most definitely give it a try to find out if this one is the most likely to help you out. Also, we can connect it we can share it as well, but I want to go and cover that option in different video, so this one won't take that long. As you can see, there are some you can use it as required, so the people can't really miss it or leave undone. You can go with multiple selections, so it can be yes, no, or yes and I don't care. Also randomize it or add opinion of other, where if the recipient or the guy or the girl who is filling out this form is feeling like these three doesn't describe exactly how that person feel about it, he can click other, and Typeform will allow this person to basically give their opinion on that matter. And I think that's very, very useful choice. If you can't fit in any of the options, the last option is other, where you can fill it out by yourself and give the instant opinion. And that's about it, guys. That's how you create Typeform. in typeform.com, and we'll create more videos about this one. So if you feel like you need to ask some questions, please leave them underneath this video and I'll answer them as quickly as possible. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next one. Have a great day.